Hey guys, Coach Courtney here. So today I'm going to show you how virtual PE is going to work, okay? So the first thing you have to do is log into your Clever account. So I've already logged into a student's account. So this student is a third grader. So you'll log in with your Clever account, and then through Clever you'll find Curve, okay? As long as you go through Clever, it'll automatically take you and log you into Curve, okay? So then once you're in Curve, you're going to find PE, which has all the sports equipment right here, so it should be easy to find. You'll click on PE's course, and then here is our PE course, okay? Here is all of your information. So we're never going to have more than 2 weeks up here at a time. We're going to only put out one just for a little while just to make sure you understand how it works. But we'll never have more than 2 at a time, okay? So we're in week 2 of this 9 weeks. So you can see week 2 right here. If you're ever confused, we'll always have the dates right here just to make sure you know which week we're on. And then the kids come twice a week in person. So we're going to give the virtual students also their 2 days a week, okay? So for the first day, there will always be a tab that says day 1 and then always one that says day 2, okay? So no matter which day you're at, you'll just open it, click on it's like a little folder, and then it will have all of your information in here, okay? So there's always going to be an instructions tab first. That instructions tabs will usually be very simple. It'll usually be very simple. So for the activity that we're doing day 1 of this week is tissue juggling. So I'll tell you your first instruction for this is to go get 3 tissues from around your house. So you can either get like Kleenex, or you can get toilet paper or napkins or a paper towel, anything that's light, that's easy to toss up, that's like a tissue, okay? You'll need 3 of them, okay? And then the next thing is click on your teacher's name, and it will take you directly to your seesaw activity, okay? So if we went back, you can see the teacher's names right here, okay? You'll only see that grade level, okay? So 3rd grade, I teach both Miss Dodson's and Miss Worley's classes virtually. So that's the only reason there's 2 of them right here. So like if you were in 4th grade or 5th grade, you should only see your class on here, okay? So I'm just going to pretend like I'm in Miss Dodson's class. So I click that. I click her name. It's loading. And then it'll take me right here to open the link, okay? And then it takes me directly to our assignment, okay? So that you don't have to go through Seesaw. It is on Seesaw, so if you know how to navigate Seesaw, you can go through it. But the link that will be posted for that specific day, that specific activity, will take you directly to that activity that you need to do for that day, okay? So I recommend just clicking the link, okay? I've already done that for you. And then there's always going to be instructions on Seesaw for your activity, okay? So this one's going to talk about we're going to practice juggling our tissues. So you have to go find 3 tissues in your house, same thing I just said a few moments ago. And then you're going to watch all the videos below in order, follow along with the person on the screen. So all these videos, they're all on YouTube. When you click them, it should take you directly to the YouTube video. And then whenever you're ready to share a response, this one I want you to use a video response to show me 2 things that you did with the tissues in the videos. So you just click add response. So let's just pretend we're a sample student. And then I want you to use this video response button, okay, to share your activities, okay? So that's how virtual PE will look, okay? So let's just get out of Seesaw and we'll go back to our Curve. But all of our PE activities for now are going to be on Seesaw, okay? It seems to be the most user-friendly and easy to navigate. So let's say that we've already completed day number 1's activity, and then we just go to day number 2, okay? So again, there's always the instructions right here. And then there's always going to be the link that takes you directly to your Seesaw activity, okay? So then this one is for your second day's work. Here's the game. When you finish, tell me if you had to do it 15 or 20 times, okay? So we'll go over here to add response. Where's just sample student. And then here they're just going to type right onto the document their whether they had to do it 15 or 20 times, okay? But that's pretty much it for virtual PE. We're going to go straight from Clever into Curve, and then from Curve just select the PE course, and then there's always just going to be 1 week or 2 weeks, but just make sure you match the dates, and then there will be 2 assignments in there for the 2 days of PE that week, and there will always be 1 instructional tab for you to read the instructions for that week, and it'll be very simple. And then all you have to do is click on your teacher's name, and it will take you directly to that assignment, okay? So that's pretty much it. If anything changes, we'll make sure we let you know, but for now, all of the PE activities will be completed on Seesaw, but you must go through Curve to get there, okay? And there's always going to be an instructions tab for each day, okay? So if you have any questions, please contact me, Coach Courtney, and I will help you out and get you to the right spot, okay? So good luck.